Hello, I am Bob Acklin of Steep Management, and welcome to a short video about a simple yet powerful tool for managing your on-hill assets, from documents, records, and maintenance schedules. MountainOffice is a powerful tool that can improve mountain operations maintenance at your ski resort. MountainOffice has been in use in Europe for over 20 years and is now in use in more than 175 ski resorts worldwide, including 6 in the United States. It is a simple and easy to use. You don't need to be a digital techie to use. Because it has been in use for almost 2 decades, it is stable and reliable. It has been developed and is sold by people who have ski area management background. All of mountain operations maintenance records are stored in one database, from lifts to groomers to buses, pumps, snow guns, and compressors. Scheduling of maintenance is managed by the system. You establish every schedule's interval, and the system automatically maintains that interval and even provides you with reminders when schedules are due. Technical data is easily accessible. This includes manuals and schematics, even pictures taken by staff, or hand-drawn sketches reflecting changes to wiring or hydraulic lines, inspection reports, oil analysis, all stored in one place for each piece of equipment. Mobile capability on all platforms allows field access to all technical data in the system, as well as historical records. Technicians can input their time and material used, adding notes and photos, and even sign off on a work order. Reporting is simple. We use an export system that allows you to filter what info you need, put it into an Excel format, allowing you to create the reports you want, either by types of equipment, say all lifts, or for a component of a lift. Value. We can't tell you what your ROI will be, but we are willing to bet that you will improve financial performance to the point that the system will be paid for in the first year of installation. Call or email Steep Management and set up a demo for a more in-depth look at the simplicity, power, and capability of MountainOffice. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.